It's May 2022, and the current maintenance of way project at Ridge Life Steamers is replacing 190 feet of mainline track on the northbound approach to and then through the tunnel. We've transitioned up to building 20-foot track panels rather than the 15s built previously. This reduces the number of joints that need to be made on the ground during assembly. The hot Florida sun means we're very aware of the heat expansion with our aluminum rail. In the curved sections, it's not an issue because the curve will actually expand and contract its radius as the rail expands and contracts itself. The straight sections are another story, and when building the straight panels, we pre-cut an offset expansion joint in each rail during construction. The joints are then attached with fish plates that allow the rail to grow and shrink as needed, and bond wires are added to maintain the electrical continuity for our automated signal system. Once the panels have been constructed, it's time to stage them on the job site. There's nothing better than actually being able to put your railroad to work. We made two separate moves for staging. First, moving the two curved and a short straight section that will be installed inside the tunnel, and then moving all of the sections that will make the tunnel approach.
There's no meaning to the car count. Two more doesn't mean two more.
Finally, all of the track panels are staged and ready. Next up, demolition of the existing track and installation of the new panels.